How to activate Google Lens on Android. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. First and foremost, you can go ahead and open your Google account. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. In the search bar, you will see a camera icon. Tap on it, then tap on Search with Camera and click a shot. You will find a lot of suggestions related to the shot that you just made. So yes, Google Lens will help you to find and identify items that you clicked with your camera. And you can easily activate it once you are logged into your Google account. For some reason, if your Google Lens is acting up, follow this step. Open up your Play Store and in the search bar, search for Google Lens. Tap on the suggested Google Lens application, and if there is an update, you have to update your Google Lens, or the last resort is to uninstall the application. You can head back from here and press and hold your Google app and then go to App Info. Force stop it, then tap on OK and head to Storage and Cache to clear up the cache. And once you do this, the issue with your Google Lens should be solved. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.